This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Controlling speed. You used rotation speed outside the draw loop to make your sprite rotate when the program started. Yep. You can also use rotation speed inside the draw loop to change the speed of the sprite during the game. For example, a sprite can start rotating when the user presses the spacebar, and it will keep rotating until it's told to stop. Cool. We'll do this. Look at the if statement inside the draw loop and check whether the spacebar has been pressed. Oh, yep. So this says, hey, spacebar has been pressed. Right now, see, I'm already running it. It's not going to do a thing because there's nothing in our if loop, if statement. Use the rotation speed block to make the color wheel spin starting when the user presses the spacebar. All right. So what we're doing here is we're asking a question. If key went down is true. So we ask the computer, hey, computer, my friend, did the key go down? What key did the space key go down? The computer can only respond either true or false, right? It's a Boolean expression. It can only say true, yes, it did, or false. If it says true, that means the space key went down. It runs the code inside, and then it keeps running the rest. If it says false, it would not run this code in here and just run the rest. So what do we want in there? We want to change the rotation speed. What's the name of our sprite? The name of our sprite is wheel. Wheel.rotation speed. Did they give us one? I'm going to say 3 and try it out. Look, nothing happens. Oh, wait. Look, nothing happens. And space. Now it won't stop. We don't have a way to stop it. But once we hit space, it will go forever. Right? Until then, nothing. Boom. Magic. Onwards.